Jai Srimanarayana. Today we will discuss about the states and capitals. There are 28 states and capitals. Today we will learn. First of all, going to learn. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start. Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Punjab, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Sikkim, Gangtok, Bihar, Patna, Jharkhand, Ranchi. After the video completed, I will ask you the few questions. You should answer that questions. Okay? Let's start. West Bengal, Kolkata, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Impal, Mizoram, Ajwal, Tripura, Agartala, Meghalaya, Shillong, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Rajasthan, Jaipur. It is quiz time. Nagaland capital. First question. Second question, Chennai state. Third question, Kerala capital. Fourth question, what is the capital of Telangana? Fifth question, how many states and capitals are there? Do you want to answer these all questions? So comment to this video. Okay, thank you.